At the beginning of 2024, I released the Christian Denominations Video Guide, and now we have the second edition. The second edition has all of the new videos for the year 2024 included in it. And what I've found is that YouTube is really good at pushing out new videos to people who want to watch them right then. But some people want to watch them later or look at videos that were made months or years ago, and YouTube is not very good at that. So the Christian Denominations Video Guide has everything arranged by topic. For example, here are videos on Anglicans, here are ones on Baptists, this page has Pietists, this one has Presbyterians and Reformed, or you also have comparison videos, theological difference videos, and videos about denomination history and so forth, all sorted in an easy to watch way. And there's also fun videos and international videos. And what I think is if you find 2 or 3 really good videos in here that you've somehow missed because YouTube really hasn't been pushing them out well to you, or maybe you just didn't find them interesting, but now when you see the description that's listed here on this page, you think that that might be worth watching. 2 or 3 good videos, maybe you get your money's worth. And this is a good way to share the channel with somebody if you use this for a while and then want to pass it along to somebody else to let them know about the channel. If you watch on your phone, there's QR codes for each video. Otherwise, you could just type the name that's listed here into YouTube and you will be able to go right to the video that you're looking for. So there are 3 different prices, so listen carefully. You can buy one for $10, including shipping, and I'll mail this out to you, the second edition Christian Denominations Video Guide. You can get 3 of them for $20. So if you buy 2, you get 1 free. Or if you sign up for a silver, gold, or platinum membership at readytoharvest.com, you'll get one every single year. The new, this is the one that I'm releasing for my members then in 2025. They receive the other one in 2024. Every year, a new update. And you'll also get a free item each year. This year, the free item is these hats, which is very nice. That goes to silver, gold, and platinum members. And of course, there's other stuff like these stickers that I have here that I send out to members, or the special bookmark with your name that's signed you get each year, or these other bookmarks. Those kind of things. Watch the video about all of that linked in the description of this video. So if you're interested to get your hands on the new second edition Christian Denominations Video Guide, head over to readytoharvest.com and then click Shop at the top of the page to buy a guide, or click Become a Member to learn more about membership.